welcome. So now again I'm starting a new garden. So today I have set everything actually yesterday night, so no video of the setting, but this is the automatic water supply. From here the pipe is going. This is Vidu. This is blackberry. Then from this elbow it is coming to this is Kamranga and this is papaya. Now at 6:45 water will come automatically. This is the irrigation system in the papaya. Water will start at 6:45. Now it is 6:42. I'm pausing again. Another 1 minute. Waiting. Then the water will start by itself. Tap is already on. Water has come. Automatic water system.